guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you my experience on these 4 affordable lotions that I have tried. Because I have a very dry skin, I decided to check out these lotions. So guys, these are the lotions that I have used, and in this video I'm going to share with you my honest review based on each lotions. Remember, this video is to educate you guys on my personal experience, how the lotion works on my skin. So watch to the end for you to get all the info you need based on these 4 lotions. So guys, the first lotion that I have used is the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Body Lotion. Guys, this lotion is a popular lotion and it is everywhere. A lot of people do use this lotion and it is perfectly good on their skin. Yes, I have some of my customers that have used this lotion and it is loving. It is good on their skin. So I decided to use this lotion, and guess what, guys? The lotion I don't just know why the lotion made me dark. The very first day I used this lotion, it was okay on my skin from the first week, but from the second week, I noticed my skin started getting darker. I just know why, if I'm the only one here. Yes, I've used this product and got darker. I decided to check out the my skin type, and I noticed that I don't have a sensitive skin. Yes, that this lotion works perfectly for those of us who have a sensitive skin. Yes, but me, I don't have a sensitive skin. Before I start seeing the effects of cream, it will take like 3 weeks or 1 month. Yes, so I decided to stop the lotion because I'm getting darker. I have to stop the lotion, and I switched to the Nivea Vitamin C, which is this Radiant Plus Beauty, the one that contains vitamin C, which is this particular one. I used this one. It was very good. It glows the skin. It contains brightening ingredients that helps to brighten your skin, glows the skin. So it glows my skin, it brightens my skin. Yes, but I have a very dry skin. It doesn't work for me. I don't just know why. It doesn't moisturize very well. So if you're having a dry skin, like if you're having that dry skin, this one will not be your go-to. Yes, so I had to pair it with an oil so that I will finish the bottle. Products are very costly. I can't just use this and use another one and keep. I paired it with this particular oil and it worked very well for me. So when I'm done using this lotion, I switched to this Vaseline body lotion. Yes, this is one of the most popular lotion right in the market. Yes, the demand is so massive. So I decided to use this lotion due to I want a lotion that will brighten my skin and take care of my dry skin. Yes, so the lotion claims that it brightens the skin, that's even tone, it protects your skin for 8 hours. So while I was using this lotion, guess what, guys? This lotion glows the skin and it moisturizes very well. It moisturizes my skin very well, guys. Yes, this lotion is the perfect for dry skin. So if you're having a dry skin and you want to brighten your skin, you can use this lotion. Yes. Remember, for my own skin, I paired it with a lightening soap because of my skin type. Yes, so skin differs. Yes, I paired it with a lightening soap for me to get that glowing skin, that brighter glowing skin. Yes. So guys, the last lotion that I tried is this Dove Nourishing Secret Body Lotion. This is the foreign Dove. Yes, this lotion is very nice. This is just there. I've used this lotion. It is just there, just to just there. You didn't add anything to my complexion. Yes, because I know it is the soap that I'm using that just at least tried. But for this lotion, it is just there. And again, this lotion is mainly for those that want to maintain their complexion. If you're dark in complexion, it will also work for you. It is also the best lotion for you. Yes. So guys, these are the 4 lotions that I have used, I have tried, and this is my honest review. Let me know in the comment section which one have you used and how is it on your skin.